Hello YouTube fans, today I would like to build this nice cover. So this is the cover. Well, this is the hardest to get cover. Okay, this must be okay. Here we go, the cover, and then the other parts. Okay, now I'm gonna put it like that. Okay, so we need this one. Thinking of this one. Okay, it will be like that. And there's a so just need to push in. Yep, like that. Okay, here we go. So there's one more part here. Well, this one. Oh, should be like that, covering the front. Wait. It should be like that. Okay, then is there any stuff? Okay, that's all, like that. So now we need to put in this one. So we'll be taking out the nut, put it here, then we'll be inserted behind this. Okay, like that. Then you need a screw with a washer, like that, and then put it in, screw in it. Now we need screws to work on this one. Well, yep, here we got the chassis now. Now is the time to fit on this cover. Wow, what can I say? No. We'll be using this one. Okay, now wait, I should have put in this one first, because I need to lock it. So put it like that, and then lock it up, then put in this one. Well, it's kind of locked there. Well, I hope this won't break. Okay, so that's it. the Strato vector. Nice. It's a great design. Oh yeah, I forgot something. I'm very sorry. Well, if you watch my video, I do a lot of mistakes because due to I didn't watch the assembly guide, so it's quite a pain. Well, I do miss the finale. Well, I need to take out this one. Well, that's the most important part, but I didn't put it in. It's such a shame. So okay, there's a propeller shaft here. Then put it like that, and then here you got your chassis. Done. Well, now it connects. Okay, here you got the Strato vector. So I'll be installing the 13mm bearing onto this kit in the next part, so keep on watching guys, and good luck, have fun.